Yeah, our vision of Pelagius is to reach restoration, you may say, of the sharks in the Gulf of California. They have been depleted. And here, for example, out here in the Bay of La Paz, sharks were once abundant, not many years ago. And how to do it, creating these shark sanctuaries along the Gulf of California and also Mexican Pacific. That's our vision, let me say. Like people here from La Paz, a lot of them, they don't really know what's going on in their oceans, in their backyard, because there's not a lot of information. So what we do as an organization, we go to schools and we talk to kindergarten children all the way to college students. And we talk about this, we talk about conservation, we talk about what we do and why it's important. Well, it's important because we want to restore, we want to keep, not only restore, but also keep these shark populations alive for the next generations. And nowadays we have what is called Friends of Fund with ICF. And that, what it means is that gives us access to donors from the US that are willing to donate money to shark conservation and shark research in the Gulf of California, in our region. So that's an excellent thing to have right now. I've been here almost 25 years, and in my lifetime here in La Paz, I've seen how the sharks have been depleted. So I want to see the sharks return as they were when I got here as a young kid, basically.